Welcome to the Backyard Garden channel, where today we are going to talk about maximizing your garden growth. If you have a green thumb, this video is for you. If you have been gardening very long, you may have heard of some of these, but stick around, you might hear something new. Begin by conducting a thorough soil test. Knowing your soil's composition and pH levels is like having a personalized care plan for your plants. When it comes to amending the soil, go beyond the basics. Incorporate well-rotted compost. It's a nutrient-rich powerhouse that enhances soil fertility. Consider cover cropping during the off-season. This not only shields your soil from erosion, but also introduces organic matter, creating a dynamic ecosystem. Now, onto the art of plant selection, a true craft for seasoned gardeners. Immerse yourself in research to hand-pick varieties tailored to your local climate and growing conditions. Enter the world of companion planting. Picture this: tomatoes and basil side by side. Not just for culinary harmony but also for mutual benefits. It's a botanical partnership that enhances growth and naturally repels against pests. Watering, the heartbeat of your garden. Let's master this essential skill. Establish a watering schedule, fine-tuned to the unique needs of your plants. Consistency is key. Your plants will thank you with a flourishing display. Delve into the efficiency of drip irrigation. This method delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing evaporation and ensuring every drop counts. Don't overlook the magic of mulching. Beyond aesthetics, mulch retains soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and provides a cozy environment for beneficial microorganisms. Now, let's talk sunlight, the golden fuel for your plant engines. Strategically position your sun-loving plants to maximize their exposure. It's like orchestrating a botanical symphony in your garden. Unlock the potential of vertical gardening. Think trellises, vertical structures, and creative arrangements. It's not just space-saving, it's a visual masterpiece. Maintain proper spacing between plants. This isn't about personal space, it's about ensuring each plant has room to spread its roots and flourish. And there you have it. Pro tips to take your vegetable garden to new heights. Now, it's your turn. Implement these strategies in your garden and share your experiences in the comments below. Your insights could inspire fellow gardeners. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below. If you're hungry for more garden talk, please subscribe to the Backyard Garden channel. Our community is growing and we'd love to have you on this green journey. Happy gardening, and may your harvest be nothing short of spectacular.